Hi, my name is Keyshawn and I'm a program assistant at BeAM. Today we will be looking at the Offset Path tool in Adobe Illustrator, a software used for laser cutting among other things. The first thing I'm going to do is open my project by clicking File, then Open, then selecting my project and pressing Open. The Offset Path tool has useful applications for laser cutting. It can create a border around your object or path that you can vector cut so that there is a uniform distance around your text or image. Also, when cutting out a thin or intricate patterns with the laser, the final cuts can sometimes be thin and may break during everyday handling. Using an offset path tool can increase the size of the pattern so that it is more durable. For this project here, I want to raster edge the Disneyland text and have a vector cut around the layers. I could use a pen tool and manually trace out the letters, but that would take a lot of time. Instead, I'm going to use the offset path tool. The first thing to do is to make sure that you don't already have a stroke on your selection. In the swatches panel here, the fill color is set to black, but the stroke itself is blank. Select the object by clicking the circle icon and click the object panel on the top toolbar, then scroll down and select path and then offset path. A new window pops up that asks you what parameters you want to give your offset path. The offset field determines how much the path will offset. 10 pixels means the new path will extend 10 pixels from the original path. Negative numbers will cause the new path to shorten by the specified number of pixels. Select the distance that best suits your project, and in this instance, I will select 10 pixels. The joins field allows you to edit the new path's angles. Miter is a pointed corner, round is a rounded corner, and bevel is a flat corner. The miter limit is how far the points can extend beyond their original path. When shapes have very acute angles, you need to increase the miter level in order to keep the points pointy. The round joint provides a rounded path to corners in your object, and the bevel creates a flat path at the corners instead. You can toggle the preview option to see how your path will look with each joint. I will use a round joint for this project, and then I'll click OK. Though the object now looks less defined, we can switch the fill and stroke to see the project clearer. To do so, we click the Swap Fill and Stroke button over here, and this allows us to see the path clearly. Once the path has been created, you can interact with the path selection to omit certain features that may make the cut weak or unsturdy in certain sections. To do so, we select the eye icon next to the layer with the text, and then select the Direction Selection tool in the toolbar. We can now click on anchor points and delete them to make the cut simpler and sturdier. And now you can click the eye icon once more for your final product. That's all, and I hope this helped.